So are you giving me 70% attendance? Are you committed? If you are committed, then only you can get the maximum out of it. If you are not committed, definitely whatever I teach, you will not get the things. Are you excited? Are you committed for? Yes, yes. Chetan says yes, he's committed. Madhura, then Vishakha. Yes, thank you, friends. Thank you for this your love and energy. When you chat, I get maximum of energy. I get enthusiasm out of it. Yes, yes. Thank you very much. आगे चलते हैं. Let us continue with the things. I'm sharing PPT again. Give me 1 minute. Yes. Just a minute, friend. I'm again starting the PPT. I think by mistake I closed it. Okay. So now, first rule to have maximum benefit, you should have to be attend to. No prior knowledge is required. Attendance will be taken at random interval. कैसे लेंगे क्या लेंगे? Definitely we will. 70% attendance is compulsory, required. More than 70% will attend certificate at the end of this. What I can say, internship. Definitely, again, if to get the maximum benefit of it, you must be, we will assign you certain assignments. Definitely, those assignments not take you over much time. Developed by our colleague Akshay. The layout of this PCB I am to provide to you. The layout of this PCB I am going to provide you. Ebooks I am going to provide you. Source code and other things, more offers I am going to share with you. Those who want it, that offer I am going to after some time. So please be attentive. What is that offer? That I'll tell you later. We're going to see that. Now we are going to start direct with our internship, and let us start. Let us understand what is IoT and what we are going to achieve during these 10 days. Are you ready? Ready. Just type ready. If you are ready, say ready. We are going to start our internship. Yes, Ashwini, Tanmay, Chetan, yes, Arvind, Kot, then Rehan, Aman, Survendra. Oh, now it's very fast. Ready. Okay, thank you, friends. Yes. Now let us start IoT. Now, friends, rules regulation. We have yes, question and answer. I'll 15 to 20 minutes at the end of this session. We are going to provide for your question answer. Please note all those question ask me at the end. I'll definitely give answer of each and every question. In between, don't any question because it will disturb the flow and it will disturb the others. So question and answer will be taken at the end. So please note your question at the end. I'll definitely give of each and every question. Then for today, the duration will be of 1.5 hour to 2 hours. Not defined, but definitely 1.5 hour it will go. And depending on your questions, how much time it will require. So definitely 2 hours, or it might be more hours. Unless and until I cover the questions, I'm not going to stop this particular seminar, or we can say webinar, internship 2 days. And for us, it will be 1 hour. 1 hour and 1.5 hours. That is my commitment to you. Everything will be free. Nothing will be charged for this 10 days internship. Okay. but I am having offer for you. So stay tuned to that offer. In that offer, I'm going to give you a lot more than this free internship. Just stay tuned for that particular offer. Now, IoT architecture. Now, when it is said IoT, internet, so things basically we are using internet for our. Now when things will use internet for its communication, for automation, automatically it will going to take their decision, then it is called internet of things. So definitely there must be some transmitter. This transmitter will go to transfer it on cloud. So definitely will be cloud. We are going to understand what is this transmitter, what is this cloud. Don't worry, my dear friends. If you are having this question, just hold on. You will get the answer of each and every question. So transmitter, there is cloud, and definitely there will be receiver. So from one end, some data will be transferred by thing. It will process at the cloud, or cloud will receive that data. Receiver, we are receiving that data, and we are performing action depending on what kind of things we are required here. So should I show you example? Should I show you example of it? Yes. So this is one video I'm playing. So this we are going to achieve. Uh, just a minute, Vedant. Please give me mouse. So I'm playing this video. Just check it. This we are going to achieve. See, in mobile we have developed application. We are going to develop this application during this internship. We have used this node MCU, and here we have connected one LED. Now we are going to operate this LED from this mobile, and this is cloud. We are going to use ThinkSpeak Cloud throughout this particular internship. So let us start the video. Now see here, the LED is there, and we are going to develop Android app during this internship. So now the moment I switched off, I press switch off LED, the LED becomes off. So data is transferred at cloud. Definitely it will switch to zero. Now you see this has switched to zero. This has switched to zero. Okay. Moment I'll press switch on, this will move to one, and this LED will get on. Now see, it has moved to one, and the LED becomes on. Friends, we are going to achieve this particular task during this internship. How many of you are excited to understand, learn this? Yes, my dear friends. Just a minute. Yes. Would you like to learn this task? Yes, yes, yes. Everything. We will start from the scratch. We will teach you how you are going to develop that particular app, how you will link those things with the cloud, and how from the cloud we are going to read the data inside that particular device, which is nothing but node MCU. So for everything we are going to do programming, and every support we will provide you, so that you can take the maximum benefit of it. So I hope you are understanding and you are enjoying the things. Are you enjoying the things? Are you enjoying the things? Yes, Tanmay, Kushi, enjoy कर रहे हो? Yes, thank you देवांशु, श्रावणी, सुरेंद्र, Ashok, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yes, just a minute. Just a minute. Uh, just give me 1 minute. Chatting change kar. It's me. Okay. So, to it. So just wait. Yes, yes. Thank you very much. Let us move forward. So this app, we are this complete application, which is called as home automation application, we are going to develop during this 10 days enter. Okay, so should we move forward? Should we move forward? Up to this, you got the maximum thing. Should we move forward? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so yes, thank you, beta. Srivasta, Ashok, then Kavita, Vishakha, Nikhil. Yes, thank you, your love and energy. Thank you. It's um, even I'm not able to read the things. Anjali, then Parmar, and thank. So let us move forward. Yes. It's a direct message. Which are these things? Okay. So, my dear friends, let us continue with IoT, and later I'll discuss who I am, if you permit me. But you must know from whom you are learning the things, what is his qualification, whether he is qualified to teach you. That I'll share later. Let us continue with our flow. Now I'm continuing with PPT. Yes, this we have seen. Let us move forward. Now IoT architecture, friends. First IoT architecture we have seen, there must be cloud, one transmitter, another receiver. So from transmitter we are going to transfer data to cloud, and from cloud we are receiving it to receiver. Now another architecture can be there. So this is called as one point to one point architecture. Okay, cloud, transmitter, receiver. This can be exchange also. Now transmitter, and there must be cloud, several receivers can be there. Yes, several receivers can be there. Means transmitter will be one that will transfer data to cloud, and from that cloud, number of receivers will that data. Example of this particular architecture is, let us assume on Netflix. So server is one, and they are transferring data to each and every mobile or television or something. So this is the example of one transmitter, number of receiver. Similarly, another example can be there, which is nothing but transmitter, number of transmitter, and definitely it will transfer data to cloud, and from cloud, display will be there, and that will receive data, and at cloud side there can be processing, or on display side there can be processing. Meaning is that there can be several transmitter and one receiver. Similarly, another architecture can be there, several transmitter and several receiver. Friend, I'm taking very what I can say simple way of IoT. IoT is too much complex. I don't want to make it complicated. I would like to keep it as simple as possible for you guys. So whatever diagrams you are saying, it you will see simple. If you search it on Google, you will find too complicated diagram. We don't have to go into that. We are going to learn IoT in a very simple way so that you should be able to develop application, and later what is going in the world, that we are with the help of IoT. But that will be for third or fourth day. So for 2 3 days, I'm keeping it very simple, and you will understand simple thing. Then you understand, yes, simple I can understand. Then we'll go for complication. IoT development of practical IoT applications are very simple. So that we are going to do during this 10. Today, I'll show you during these 10 days what we are going to learn. The first application I said you that uh, home appliances, off LED and off of LED, that we are going to go. Now, next we are going to see. Now see, if I'd like to develop complete IoT application, so what are the requirements? See, till now we have discussed, what are the architectures of IoT. You can ask me, sir, if I'd like to develop complete application of IoT, what I should have to learn? What I should have to learn? How many I would like to know क्या सीखना चाहिए so that you should be able to develop application? Yes, would you like to learn? Yes, just write learn. I just want energy from you guys. You would like, just say yes or learn. L. You can type L. Yes, thank you friends. Please type L. Yes, yes. Khushi, then Anjali, then Janvi. Yes. Now it's too fast. Vimal, uh, Kavya Priya. By mistake, if I commit wrong pronunciation, please sorry for that. Because I am Maharashtrian and there are so many people from the India, so I may commit mistake. Thank you, Beta Vimal. Then Sunanda, Ashwini, then Ishika, uh, Kavya Priya. Sorry, I'm not pronouncing properly. So yes, thank you, dear friends. Thank you very much. Arul, yes. Should we move proceed? So now, till now, we have seen one application, and we understand what can be architecture of IoT. We are going to proceed. If you would like to develop complete applications, so what we should have to learn this particular internship, or during this internship we are going to learn all those things. But if you would like to develop your own application, whatever you define that I would like to develop this application, this is my requirement. If you would like to fulfill that requirement, if you would like to develop that application, what needs to be learned, that we are going to see. So are you ready to learn? Are you ready to learn what we are going to what are the requirements to develop complete application of IoT? Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, just type ready. Type ready. See, I want your energy, my dear. Thank you, beta. Quote Chinmay. Then Kavita, Ashok, Umesh, Khushi, Nikhil. Yes, thank you very much. So let us proceed further. So let me share again PPT. Yes. Now with me, you are going to do some practical tasks also. Okay. So what are those practical tasks? I'm going to share you. So first, if I'd like to develop IoT application, the very important thing, I must be able to program microcontroller. I must be able to program microcontroller. Yes, that is first requirement. Uh, have you learned any microcontroller in your syllabus? Just again, we can type. Have you learned any microcontroller in your syllabus? I just wanted to know any microcontroller you have learned, or have you worked on any microcontroller throughout your curriculum, or externally you learn? Yes, any microcontroller or microprocessor you learn? Yes. Can you say me which is that? Yes, Umesh says yes. Which is that number of that particular microcontroller? Yes, please. So that all yes, yes, sir, I learn. Ashok says, yes, sir, I learn. Which microcontroller? Please. Yes, 32S 8051, ESP32S, Arduino 8051. Yes, thank you. 32S. Yes. Basically, in our syllabus, there is 851. In our syllabus, there is 8051 is given. Okay. But that 8051 don't have facility with Wi-Fi. If we would like to develop application in IoT, definitely that microcontroller or board should be able to access Wi-Fi. If that particular microcontroller board is not able to access Wi-Fi, then it is not able to connect with internet. And if it is not getting internet, we cannot transfer data. And if we are not able to transfer data, it is very difficult to develop IoT applications. So we require to have such a kind of microcontroller, should have some Wi-Fi facility or some wireless connectivity connecting facility, so that it should be able to access internet. That is requirement. So we must learn microcontroller first. So which microcontroller we are going to see during our internship, that I'll elaborate, and which microcontroller that is sufficient for uh, that is sufficient to develop application of IoT, that we are going to see. So first, microcontroller. Now these are different microcontroller boards. So can I use Arduino? Yes, I can use Arduino, but Arduino cannot support for Wi-Fi facility. With Arduino, we have to connect ESP module. In the initial stage, when 8266 was not available in the market, I did these things. And for that time, too much long program needs to be written, because header files were not written properly, or that was not that much advanced whatever it is today. So we have to connect it with Arduino. At that time, Arduino cost was around 500, 450, 500, and that ESP cost around 300. So it comes around 800, 900. And after some days, this ESP node MCU 8266 comes into market. So which is having similar program that Arduino, and it is having facility that it can connect to Wi-Fi. So now we don't use, when there is IoT application, we don't use Arduino and ESP connected interface with. We go for Node MCU, Node MCU 8266, or if pins are not sufficient, when we use this Node MCU, it is having 9 programmable pin, one analog 9 digital programmable pin, one analog pin, but this 32S has having 22 or 24 pins, so programmable pins. So if I require to have more pins, so definitely I'll switch to 32S. And again, one of the controller which comes with operating system, if you develop advanced kind of programming, suppose I would like to go for image processing, video processing, I'd like to handle high data, then definitely Node MCU 8266 and 32 is not sufficient. Then we can switch for Raspberry Pi. again, how many of you have work on Raspberry Pi? Anyone who has work on Raspberry Pi? I just wanted to know. I just wanted to know. Anybody knows? Anybody is having knowledge about Raspberry Pi? Anybody is? Yes, yes. Mahant has used Raspberry Pi. Yes, Divanshu has used. Very good, very good. Small computer. Thank you, beta Ashok. Ashok has used. Okay. Yes, Nikhil has used Raspberry Pi. Okay, very good, very good. But I think so many people don't have used this Raspberry Pi. So definitely for that, we can another free internship for that Raspberry Pi. So stay tuned for it. Definitely, I'm going to run this series. I'm not going to stop here. Okay. So whatever our mission, we have to fulfill. What that we'll going to discuss later. Now let's get our microcontroller. So which microcontrollers we need to learn? The microcontroller which is able to connect with internet. That's the basic requirement of selection of microcontroller. Okay, the microcontroller which should have Wi-Fi which is having capacity to connect with internet. That that particular microcontroller we can take. So what is microcontroller I have mentioned here? Are these only microcontrollers can be used for IoT? Answer is no. There are n number of microcontrollers available in the market. These are cheapest microcontroller. Facilities available is more. These are open source microcontroller. So that's why generally we prefer this microcontroller for getting started with. Okay, for complicated application, definitely we have to change the microcontroller. But for this internship, we are going to use Node MCU 866 because in market you must know value of means price of this microcontroller Node MCU 8266. Can I know at your market what is cost of this microcontroller? If anybody has bought this particular 8266, I just wanted to know what is the price at your market, right? Price and whether it is at Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, or MP or Odisha. Mention that. I just wanted to do microcontroller. Yes, 380, 180. Okay, the answer says it's 180. Okay, very good. Pune, it's 380. Very good. I'm from Maharashtra, Amravati. So we buy it at 340. We buy it at yes 300. Yes, we buy it at 340. We buy one piece, but when we go for 10 piece, so 20 30 20% discount we get. 10 piece or more than that. Karnataka it is 200. Good, very good. Yes, Chhattisgarh it is 180. So it's good. I contact with you and you can send all those things to me. We develop different kinds of project. Here we develop around 150 projects, so we require to have this. So in the it's 220. Okay, okay. Means so many people are aware with IoT and so many people is doing experimentation with IoT. That indicates this. Means as you know the price, you might have been experiment it with it, but I have seen number of people has not experimented. So I'm covering the basics of it. We are going to programming of it also. In Amravati the cost is around 300 340. Okay, so that varies from city to city. Now what is next requirement? The requirement to understand IoT is understanding of microcontroller. In this particular internship, we are going to Node MCU 8260. So how to install the software and how to program it, how to do basic programming, that I'm going to cover. Uh, okay, so now proceed further. Again, if you understand this microcontroller, what is next requirement? The next requirement is software programming. Okay. My dear friends, here we have to required to have software. Now, if you are having laptop and if you are attending this meeting from mobile, so now we are going to see the process how we are going to install the software. Okay, my dear friends, you just observe it with me. If you are able to do this, fine, no problem. But if you are not able to catch up with this, definitely whatever video I'm going to play, that video I'm going to share on YouTube channel or I'll share it with on your group so that you should be able to download and deploy software on your own. Okay, so that when we'll meet next, you should be ready with software and whatever things are going to proceed. Okay, so now just okay, we have to download the software And if you don't understand, definitely this video we are going to, so by looking at this video later, you can download the software. So now I'm going to start video. Yes. Now see on Google, sorry, on Chrome or any browser, you have to just type arduino.cc. Excuse me. What is this arduino.cc? It is just website, official website of Arduino community, which is company which who has developed this Arduino platform, and they provide software free of cost, which is called open source. Open source means we don't have to pay to anybody else. Anybody can modify and anybody can do modification. Anybody can use the software or hardware. They don't have to pay to anybody else. So that basic concept of open source. Now we have to download this open source. It is for Windows, Linux, or Mac, and other operating system. So, whatever depending on your requirement, you can download it. Now, here, if we like to contribute to this particular community, we can contribute, or we can say just download. Would like to have free download, and here again, it's just a minute. Uh, just a minute. So now, just download. If we'd like to get subscription, email we require to have. If we agree with terms and conditions, say subscribe. And if we don't want that email, then just say just download. When just download, it will say this message and it will start downloading. Now, my dear friends, you can download a zip file or you can download exe file. Download exe file, you have to install it. And if you download zip file directly, it will come into the folder, and by using that folder you can directly access this particular software by using exe file. So now the moment it will get down, it will take some time. It will take some time after downloading. When you access that particular folder from zip to this, you will find this id application. So you can take on your, you can create shortcut to desktop, or you can open this particular software from the same location. Okay. After doing this, it will asking you permissions to change at your computer. So you have to say yes. Now, after that, the moment you open the software, Node MCU is third party hardware. It is not with Arduino. So we have to install the Node MCU file into Arduino. So how we have to do it? First, we have to download software Arduino IDE. After downloading, you have to install it. After installing, you will not find, if you go through this search board and if you search for ESP8266, you will find that board here. Okay. So now next process, we have to install the board. We have to install. So how to install the board? We have to go to tools. We have to go to tools menu, and in that tools menu we will find board. And when we will find board, then go to board manager. This kind of window will open towards left hand side. You just type here ESP8266. Okay, now we are searching whether there is ESP8266 or not. It is not available. So in board again, yes. So here there is no board. Okay, so now as there is no board, we have to just identify how I can install this particular package. So go to Google, type Node MCU into 6 packages. Is there any problem? Okay. Node MCU into 66 packages on Google. The moment you will search it on Google, you will find this link. So please use this random tutorial link. Use this random not tutorial link because it is fast. You can use another link, no problem. But as we have tested it, it gives very. If you use any another install, as per our experience, use tutorial link. The moment we will click here, it will give the install that Node MCU to this particular software. So what we have to do? Okay, here here we have to go down. The moment we here, we have to scroll it. Now this is open window from Google, that random link. Okay, so when you will open this, you will find instructions. All instructions are given how you can install the software. Here we require to have one link. So here we are getting link. If you scroll down, you will get one link. You have to copy this link, and what to do with this, that I'm going to share with you. The moment I copied this, I'll go to software again. Here in software, just a moment, just a minute. Yes, just a minute. Yes, yes. I'll go to file. I'll go to preference. I'll go to preference. The moment I'll go to preference, uh, it will open one window. The moment this will open one window, you just have to type this particular into that particular window and say okay. And you will say okay. Then you have to go to tools again, board, and after going to board manager, yes, here we have to type node MCU 266. So the moment we will get this, we just have to say install, and the moment we say install, it will take some time and it will install all the packages. It will install all the packages. And if you install all the packages, go to tools, then see the board, and in board you will find ESP 8266. And if you get this series, installation is successful. The moment it will get successful, I have to say congratulations to you, my dear friends. I know within this short span it's not possible for you to download this. That's why I said yes. Slow down, my dear friends. I do cover so much of things, but don't worry. Zubair, yes, this video I am going to provide with you. We are going to share this video, so don't worry. uh, Later, slowly you can watch this video and you can install the software. Is it okay? Is it okay, Zubair? Yes, very much better. Zubair, is it okay? Is it okay? Because it is a tedious task. If we go with covering each and everything, it becomes hectic for other people. So you just watch, get maximum thing. Latter part you have to do it. That's why I said I am providing some assignments. Definitely we will guide you. This video I am going to share. Just a minute. This video I am going to share. So later you can watch this video and you can download it, sir. In ESP, sir, in I don't understand what Mohammed has to say, Ali. I don't understand. You can ask me this question again. Okay. So I hope if I provide video to you, you will be able to download. Are you? Are you? Yes or no? If I provide this video to you in your group, you will be able to definitely complete this task. 8266. No, sir. I don't understand what you need to say. See, yes or no? If I provide you, whether you able to download it or not? Yes. Yes. Thank you, Beta. Samriti, Vishakha, then Ashok. Yes, thank you. Rohit says, I have ESP 826 installed its package. Very, very good. If it is already installed, congratulations. Very good, very good. If it is already installed, badhiya baat hai. It's good. Okay, so now should we proceed further? So first we have seen the microcontroller, then we have seen its installation, the software part we have covered. Definitely, we'll provide this video so that you can install. So that you can install. Okay, so now next part we are going to cover, and now I'm going to ask the query. I'm going to ask you question so that you can participate in this. Okay. So next is what? Yes. So this video we have covered. Definitely we are going to provide this video to you. Next, cloud. My dear friends, cloud. Can anybody say me what is this cloud? Yes. Can you chat what is this cloud? Anyone? Do you know the idea of cloud? Yes. What is any cloud which you have used for IoT? Storage, yes. Virtual storage, yes. AWS, cloud storage, yes. Can I say mobile storage? Can I say mobile storage? Used to store data. Yes, in mobile I store the data. So can I say this mobile as a cloud? Yes, definitely. ThinkSpeak, Azure, these are the examples of cloud. Arduino cloud. Thank you, beta. It's Pranay, Blink, Samyak, yes, Rohit, these are cloud. But to what I can say cloud? This memory space is called as definitely memory space. But to whom I can store data virtually. Yes, very good. Store data virtually. Yes, exactly. Let me elaborate somewhat. It is the memory space. Keyword of internet. Yes, it is memory space managed by third or any company which is having big what I can say budget, because this particular storage cloud we require to have big budget. It requires to have what I can say huge money. Our cannot afford it. So what we can pay some amount and we can hire some space. So cloud is nothing but third party memory space which is managed by depending on requirement they provide us certain space. Okay, so connectivity answer is yes. But if I require more requirement, so definitely we have to pay for it. So being a student, we are going to space. Today we are going to get the space. To get that space, again I'll elaborate. So soon we are going to open our account on the cloud. So what is cloud? It is memory space managed by third party, and depending on authority, depending on authentication, they provide us the access of it. Everybody cannot access this space. Ticket can access space. This is called as cloud. I hope it is clear. Please write clear. Please write. Is it clear? Yes. Rohit, you are so attentive and so energetic. Thank you, Anjali. Then Pushpendra Patel. Then Ujwal Kumar. Now it is too fast. I'm not a person. Yash. Okay. Nick. Yes. Thank you, my dear. Thank you. So let us move forward from cloud. We are going to proceed further. So now say again. I'm now we came up to cloud. So what are the different clouds available in the market for IoT? Okay. So things big. Definitely going to things. But the internship. This is the oldest cloud metal. fryer, again tilt sensor, then sound and so on. So these are this is capacitive touch sensor and joysticks and so on. These are sensors available in the market. Okay. So now next is actuators. See, definitely it is going to take data. Means how our system will communicate with environment, how we communicate in the same way. We see through eyes, we touch through our skin, we smell through our nose and so on. So similarly, we have to develop the system so which require to have sensor. So from sensor it is going to take input. Okay. And how it generates output. So we require to have actuators. No, what can be actuators? Actuators क्या क्या होते हैं कोई बता पाएगा? Yes, please. Can you share what actuators you know? What do you mean by actuators? Or directly you can say, sir, this is actuators. Yes, please. Anybody? What are actuators? Yes, relays. Very good, beta. Thank you. Relay is one kind of actuator. Apart from this, very good, very good. Relay. Apart from this, only one. Yes, motor, stepper motor. Then yes, motor, stepper motor, relay. Can I say LED as a so whatever output device we called it as actuators. Whatever output device are available, we can call it as a actuator. कंट्रोल कर रहा है आउटपुट को उसको हम एक्चुएटर्स बोलने वाले हैं. So here which are actuators available in the market. There are a number of actuators available. So I'm just showing example. There is motor, then this plunger, electromagnetic clock, we can say this is motor. Then there can be relay, then there can say LED as a indicator and so on. जो भी output में हमें दिखेंगे that we call it as actuator. Now next, applications. We have to develop applications. Okay, so what applications we are going to develop during this internship? I just would like to show you one video. We are going to develop this complete application during our internship. So let us see. See, my dear friends, this is our kit. This we have IoT kit at our office, at our company. Now to this kit we have connected this 230-volt bulb and we have developed this application. Okay, so now during this internship, you will develop this application with me. This is Android application we have developed in our mobile. So you will deploy this application at your mobile and you will control such a kind of appliances. Okay, and I'm going to provide you this PCB layout so that you are interested, you can develop your own IoT kit. Okay, so are you interested? Should I provide it to you? Should I provide PCB to you? This PCB I provide to depending on certain conditions. Should I provide it to you? Yes. Are you ready to get this PCB? Are you excited to get this PCB? Healthcare, agricultural, home automation. Yes. Thank you, Vida. Are you excited to get this PCB? Yes. 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 Rugved is there. Kavita is there. Definitely. I'll share this PCB with you. Layout of PCB with you, but depending on certain conditions. I said you later. I am going to give certain bonuses and so just wait for a moment. I'm going to share what kind of bonuses I'm going to. Yes. So now next. Yes. So here these applications we are going to develop now. The moment there are four buttons. Okay. Now the bulb is off. Now it is on. Now it is off. So last two buttons are there which are this bulb and first two buttons are there. First two buttons are there which is controlling this LED. There are two LEDs on the board. There are two LEDs on this particular LED. This will get on. Now I clicked it to switch on the LED. It will take some time because uh, sorry, think speak is little bit slow. Again, it has the moment I clicked it, this LED becomes on. So it is transferring data to cloud, and from cloud it is receiving that data. Okay, so this LED becomes on. So we are going to develop these complete applications. Now I have switched on. We are switching on to this bulb. Okay, so the moment I clicked on that button, it will transfer data command for the bulb, and the bulb is getting on. Similarly, by fourth switch, fourth button, I can off the particular bulb. Now I clicked it, it is transferring data, and now it will generate command to off this bulb, and this bulb will get on. It will take somewhat time because our ThinkSpeak cloud is little bit slow. It takes some time releasing that. I'll elaborate later. So I hope that you understood this. Do you understood? Yes. So are you excited to learn this application? We are going to develop this application during this internship. Are you excited to learn this application? Are you excited? Yes. Yes. Thank you, my friends. So let us move forward. आगे चलते हैं. Now again, yes, you said you are excited. Little bit I am getting slow response. Little bit I am getting slow response. Kavita SHP 150. Sir, sir, whether you use ThinkSpeak in work. Yes, little bit. ThinkSpeak we use for testing purposes, but we don't use ThinkSpeak. We use our site space. Okay, that definitely Ashok. I'll share you later. But do one thing. You hold your questions at the end. We are going to take this. Okay. Thank you. Let us move forward. Let us move forward. Now this application, complete applications we are going to develop. Yes, this we have completed. Now it's becoming 8 1 minute. Yeah. Now the next one, applications we have seen that Android app we are going to develop during this particular internship. Okay. Now see the next is Wi-Fi connectivity. Without having Wi-Fi connectivity, definitely we cannot develop IoT applications. So definitely Wi-Fi connectivity, internet connectivity must be there. These are different internet connectivity providers are there: Jio, Airtel, Idea, Vodafone, and so on. These are different player market which gives us internet facility. Okay, so without this, internet is not possible. Let me share you one thing. Do you know when the concept of IoT is put forward? किसी को पता है कि ये IoT का कंसेप्ट कौन से ईयर में लॉन्च किया गया था? किसी को आइडिया है? Anybody is having idea? कब लॉन्च हुआ था ये कंसेप्ट? Anybody? Yes, thank you, beta Charita. It's 98, 90. It's nine. The era is 98, 99. I think you might have been not come into the world at that time. I think so. I was there, but okay. So yes, Kevinston. Thank you, beta. जिसने develop concept put किया. So it is develop. It is the concept is in 1998. But इतना देर क्यों लगा ये concept? अभी भी premature है. It is the concept is premature. Still, critical applications are not getting developed of IoT. Okay, so reason behind it, what can be reason? What can be reason? 1999 May this concept is put forward, and still 2024 not get matured. What can be the reason behind it? Anybody can share? Anybody? What is reason that still high? Yes, internet internship. Okay, so cost you are saying 1000, 1400, that is 1500, and 1598, 4000 for up to 4000 it is going. Later in this we are going to take 6 live doubt session. Means within months I'll take 6 live doubt session, because I know when you learn, definitely you will came across the problems, and the person to solve your problem, and that is me. So for 6 live sessions we are going to take of 1 hour, which can value up to 999, and within 15 days we are going to meet. Definitely on Saturday or on Sunday this session will going to take. Definitely you will get the link, you'll get prior notification when I'll come live, so that you can put your doubt and you can solve your doubts. My dear friends, the most important thing, uh, the age at 42, and still I am learning too much. Daily I provide 2 to 3 hours to learn, and the most important thing is know me. I have seen that how उम्र गुजर जाती है बट हम खुद को ही नहीं समझ पाते. So now I'm having so much of the from this I am learning who is me. Unless and until I understand me, I cannot grow. So to know me, we are having two sessions for you. Definitely those sessions will be live sessions for during this 3 month internship. I'll come live and I'll interact with you so that you can understand yourself. And the moment you will start understanding yourself, the moment I start understanding myself, I'll start growing. I start grow. Unless and until I understand, cannot beat the success. So I must know me. So for that, we are going to take two sessions. And apart from that, the moment you sign up for this internship, you will get offer letter. Okay. So this kind of 3 month offer letter we are going to provide you. Here, name will be there. The soft copy we will send. You can print it and you can get opt for this particular internship starting with the offer letter. After completion of this internship, after completion of this internship, definitely you will get certificate, completion certificate of this internship, and this will look like here. This is our letterhead. On letterhead, you will get date, reference number, your name. Below that, there will be sign, stamp, and so on. Whatever formality is required for certification, that is complete. But my dear friends, does certificate is having value? What you think? Certificate की value होती है क्या? Is there any value to certificate? Yes or no? What do you think? Certificate को value होती है? Rehan says yes, yes. Hosted की होती है? Yes, Nikhil. Yes, yes. Now I'm changing the question. Does only certificate is having value? Does only certificate is having value? No, until person has learned thoroughly. Yes, Divanshu, thank you very much. Divanshu, thank you very much. Yes, if I am having certificate, see there in market there are so many people who can sell the certificate, but certificate is only way to get to sit in front of interviewer. Certificate is only what I can say ticket to sit in front of interviewer. The moment interviewer will ask you two questions, he will come to know that that certificate is fake or true. Okay. So certificate is having only value if you are having that kind of knowledge, if you are spent time with that, if you are done thoroughly the things, only certificate is having value. How many of you agree with this? Say agree. Are you agree with this? Do you agree? Certificate with knowledge is having value. Certificate with knowledge is having value. Yes, totally agree. Divanju, thank you very much. Certificate is with having certificate with having knowledge, done the things thoroughly, having skill, that is having, yes. So certificate is required, but with that skill is required. So what I mean to say through this, definitely at the end of 3 month internship we will provide you this certificate, but it is depending on you how you are going through those course. We will definitely help you to complete those course and get this certification done. For that I'll come for 6 times in 3 months so that I can guide you, so that I can solve your difficulties. Okay, thank you. So now, yes, definitely we are going to provide you new WhatsApp community in which only those people who has registered for this 3 month internship and other our will be there. If you are having any kind of difficulty in daily revision, in daily going through, so put the difficulties in that particular WhatsApp group. Our mentor will help you to solve your difficulty. So you will get new community WhatsApp group. Okay. And if you add this total, so it comes under 5695. 5695. But definitely, friends, this is the value. This is the value, and you know that ये प्राइस में मैं आप लोगों को ये चीज नहीं देने वाला. So how much you expect the price for this? How much you expect price for this? Yes, anybody? This is